What's up my YouTube family, this is Thakur Vikas Singh. Today I'm at Pacific Hills on the Mussoorie Road. I just started workout. We got the body, we got the place and I just started. Now it's drizzling here but I'm gonna complete my workout. I'm just training my whole body today, push-ups, and I can't perform pull-ups here because there is no such pull-up bar. So I'm just doing decline, incline and flat push-ups and some lunges, some side kicks, some boxing kicks and some punches practice. So I'm gonna complete it, watch it and enjoy the vlog. Enjoy this rainy season.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
We have done with our decline and flat push-ups. Now I'm gonna do some lunges and some body weight squats in this drizzling. So I love this rainy weather. So let's start.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
Basically, when you are into fitness, you know कि जिम वर्कआउट को होम वर्कआउट्स बीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. बट आई हैव लर्न दिस थिंग फ्रॉम मैनी ईयर्स. एनी वर्स्ट वर्कआउट इज बेटर देन नो वर्कआउट. सो वर्कआउट, डोंट वेट फॉर एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी, मेक एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, मेक द टाइम एंड गो द प्लेस, गो द फीलिंग. जस्ट डू विद वट एवर यू हैव. सो लंचेस का एक सेट कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड नाउ विल परफॉर्म 2 more sets of lunges, then jump and some burpees, body weight squats. Then I will end this workout with some 5 to 10,000 steps. So let's get to it.
So lost and past, I back up my actions back. Don't ask, grab reactions, jacked. Attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't.
Every gym goer can relate with me in this situation, that when you are so used to of doing heavy weight workout, but suddenly if you have to do body weight exercises, it will also take you so much effort. It's not gonna go so much easy if you are thinking you are intermediate or at advanced level 2. So it will all up to you that how can you challenge your body every single day. Let's perform the last set of lunges, then we will do body weight squats.
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over, and just like a soldier.
So I have done approx 20 steps in every single set of lunges and I have completed the 3 consecutive sets of lunges, and now it's time for some body weight squats.
Always getting closer, marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer.
Now here is the another point. If you are thinking that you are not gonna get attention to your legs muscle during the body weight squats, So here you are wrong, because you can give them too much pressure and tension with some changes that I'm doing today. That is bodyweight squat with jump. When you add jump to it, and when it goes down with all the gravity, there you have to apply somewhere more effort to go up again. So here is the challenge. Now I'm getting pump in my legs too, and my biceps also, because of push-ups I have done earlier. Let's do 3 to 4 sets more.
I don't think about center stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Just like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward.
So guys, you have seen I have just done 2 sets of bodyweight squat with jumps in every repetition. Sorry. So I'm already feeling pumpy in my quads and calves too. So now I'm adding one more step in my squats, or you can say it's a burpee. So we'll do 20 reps of burpee in third set on the place of bodyweight squats. So now do it.
Always getting closer, marching till it's over. I'm just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over.
And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer.
So guys, this was all about my 2 days workout that I performed in a balcony. So the point is, doesn't matter if you're a gym goer or not, doesn't matter if you're in office or you're at home or at your school, you just need your body as an equipment, nothing else. So just do it, don't make any excuse. So I am done with workout. I'm gonna take a shower. Already shower बहुत हो रहा है, बारिश पड़ रही है, but मैं थोड़ा fresh होता हूँ. Then I will take my whey protein in post workout drink.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding on.
So here we are. I have done shower and रूम में हर तरफ कपड़े ही कपड़े हैं, बिकॉज भीग गए थे बिल्कुल ही आज, शिखर फॉल गए थे तो, और उसके बाद भी जब रूम पे आए तो बारिश हो रही थी, तो कपड़े अभी सूख रहे हैं, बाहर सुखा नहीं सकते. एंड नाउ टाइम फॉर द पोस्ट वर्कआउट ड्रिंक. So here is the post workout drink, a sachet of whey protein which is chocolate flavor. मुझे इसको पूरा और ओपन करना पड़ा इसका मुंह, तो जाके अब ये पूरा मिक्स हो पाएगा. स्लैब साफ कर देनी चाहिए जब भी कहीं गंद फैलाओ. इन बालकनी में बैठेंगे, अपनी पोस्ट वर्कआउट ड्रिंक एंजॉय करेंगे, एंड साथ में ये हल्की हल्की बारिश और ये व्यू ऑसम. मैं अपना शेकर अपने फ्लैट में ही भूल गया था, इसलिए मुझे अभी एक गिलास में मिक्स करना पड़ रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, प्रोटीन इज प्रोटीन, गिलास में हो चाहे शेकर में, बस बॉडी की कंजप्शन पूरी होनी चाहिए. सैशे का यही बेनिफिट है, आप ट्रैवलिंग में कहीं भी सैशेज यूज कर सकते हो और आपको अपने साथ बॉक्स भी कैरी नहीं करना पड़ता. भैया बोलेंगे परेशान कर दिया इसने. हाँ भैया, भैया बोलेंगे परेशान कर दिया इसने किचन में आके. ये हमारे भैया यहाँ पे कुक हैं, बहुत अच्छा खाना बना रहे हैं और कल से हमारी केयर कर रहे हैं. कहाँ से भैया? चमोली से ना. क्या नाम है आपका? प्रेम नाम है भैया का, और प्रेम ही है इनके खाने में भी. बहुत टेस्टी खाना बना रहे हैं, हमारी कल से केयर कर रहे हैं, तो थैंक यू भैया.